Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Inspire Tech Education. Today we are starting a new topic, Oracle SQL. So here we need to understand Oracle and SQL. So Oracle is a relational database which is used by many companies and big applications. Okay, so SQL is a structured query language which is used to interact with Oracle database. So, if you are a beginner and don't know anything about databases, don't worry. I will explain everything in a very simple words and with real life examples. So, let's begin. First, let's understand a simple word, what is data. So, I will explain in a simple words. Data means small piece of information. It can be a name, a number, or a date, right? For example, here 25. 25 is a number. Okay. Abhi. Abhi is a name. And red, blue, green. These are colors, right? And 50,000, it could be salary or it may be price. So this raw data has no meaning now. When we organize this raw data into a meaningful data in a table format, let me draw the table here. So it has three columns, name, age, and salary. Okay. Name is Abhi, age is 25, and salary is 50,000. So now it became a meaningful data. So we can easily understand Abhi is 25 years old, right? And earns 50,000. So this is called information. In simple words, data is raw facts, information is meaningful data. Now let's understand what is database is. So a database is a place where we store data in an organized way so that it can help us to save time. So let's take one simple example of school. Okay, in a school, we have many students, and for each student, we need to store details like student ID, name, age, class, and marks. Okay, instead of writing everything on a paper, we keep all this information inside a computer database. So it look like this, like a table format, right? This table is a part of student database. Okay. Right. Here, each row shows one student record. We have three rows. Here, row 1, 2, and 3. And each column shows one type of detail. These are the columns. Here, column 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Because of the data is stored properly, the teacher can easily find any student and she can add or he can add new records or update marks in a seconds. Okay. So in simple words, a database is a digital place to store data and organize data. So we can use it easily anytime. Right. Now that we know what is database is, okay, let's see why we need it. Imagine you are a teacher, you have 500 students in your school, you write all their names, roll numbers, and marks in a notebook, right? After some time, the notebook becomes full, pages get mixed up. It's very hard to find one student marks, right? That's the big problem. So we use database on a computer. In a database, we can store all student details safely and we can search any student easily and we can add our data quickly, right? We can keep our data safe from loss or damage. So comparing a table here using notebook and using database, what are the advantages and the disadvantages? So by using notebook, if we use a notebook, finding one student marks can take long time because everything is written on a paper, so that's the reason it is hard to find. Okay. So here easy to find because in a database we can search any student instantly on a computer using SQL query. And in a notebook, changing marks means erasing and rewriting again, which is slow, right? And can cause mistakes also. So that's the reason it is hard to update and here easy to update. Same by using SQL queries, we can update in seconds. Okay. Here notebook can get damaged. Okay. But here safe and secure. It takes more time here because manual work with notebook is slow. Adding, searching or calculating data takes more time. But database do all this quickly and easily. Okay. It saves time. Right. Using a notebook is slow and risky process. A database keeps everything safe and organized and easy to use. So that's the reason the database is more important nowadays. Okay. We'll discuss about types of databases. We have relational database, non-relational database, and cloud database. Okay. Here, a relational database stores data in tables with rows and columns. Okay. It uses SQL to manage and connect data between tables. For example, we have Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, and many more. Okay. So these all relational databases uses SQL. Coming to non-relational database, it stores data in documents or key value pairs instead of tables. For example, MongoDB, Cassandra, and Firebase. Okay, many more. So we have cloud databases like AWS RDS, Google Cloud SQL. Here we mainly focus on Oracle. Oracle is a relational database and on SQL. Okay. By the help of SQL, we used to interact with Oracle. So in our further classes, we will discuss about what is Oracle. Thank you.